In this video, I will show you how to create a t-shirt website using ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I type chatgpt.com into the browser's address bar to open the platform. Once the page loads, I click on the search field and type a detailed prompt. I ask ChatGPT to create a modern and professional e-commerce t-shirt website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I make sure to specify that it should include a homepage, a featured product section, a shopping cart, product details, customer reviews, responsive navigation, and a mobile-friendly design. After carefully typing everything out, I click the Send Prompt button. ChatGPT begins processing the request and quickly generates a complete single-file e-commerce t-shirt website code template. It lists out the key components it has included, such as the responsive design, hero section, and cart functionality. Below the summary, it provides the full HTML code box containing the integrated styles and structure. I scroll through the code structure to review the layout, which defines the sticky navigation header, logo placement, hero section elements, product grid styling, customer reviews area, footer layout, and the cart sidebar mechanism. Once the code generation finishes, I look at the top right of the code block and click on the Preview icon. A dialog box pops up asking to allow network access to fetch external images. The preview opens fully, revealing our newly created storefront named Threadify. The homepage features a modern layout with a clean navigation menu on top, a call to action button, and a striking high-quality hero image of a white t-shirt. As I scroll down the website, the Featured Products section loads dynamically, showcasing a selection of high-quality items with clear tags, specific descriptions, pricing, and distinct action buttons. Further down, a styled Customer Reviews grid presents realistic testimonials, ratings, and feedback from users, followed by a standard minimalist copyright footer. To test the website's functionality, I scroll back up to the product grid and click the Add to Cart button under the minimal white tee. Next, I click Add to Cart for the Urban Street tee, and then hit Add to Cart for the oversized premium tee. With each selection, the shopping cart indicator in the top right menu automatically updates. I then click on the Cart button, which opens up a slide-out sidebar displaying the 3 items, individual pricing, and a total calculation of $99. Inside the cart panel, I click on the Proceed to Checkout button to verify the final page action before closing out the panel and scrolling back up to the hero section. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.